Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
On Thursday, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, had denied allegations made by the Trinamool Congress Party on anomalies in the implementation of the Smart City project in Shillong. In a press briefing held in the city, Prestone Tynsong said that allegations made against the state government by the TMC on the receipt of Rs 1,005 crores towards the Shillong Smart City Limited is baseless and political. Tynsong clarified that a total sanction of Rs 251 crores has been allocated to the said project, of which Rs 55 crores was borne by the state government, while the balance of Rs 196 crores was received from the central government.
Shillong Smart City Limited has been granted over 1,005 crores for various projects by both central and the state government is factually incorrect. They allege that the fund has been released 1,005.00 crores, which is totally wrong. Till today, the amount that we receive under this SSCL, Shillong Smart City Limited, under this body, we receive a total amount of 251 crores. Out of 251 crores, state share is 55 crores, and the amount that we receive from the central government is only 196 crores. You get it? You got it? Okay. Then the issue of filing the financial statement. Let me again clarify. Regarding filing of financial statements of SSCL with Registrar of Companies, ROC, as per the Article of Association, it is clarified that as per the procedure of financial statement have to be filed with the ROC, Register of Companies. The book of account has just been audited and has just been confirmed by the CAG. CAG has already confirmed. Next step is we have to file it. Filing will be done by next month. Because why? Again, the rule says before filing of financial statement, the board has to pass it. And the board has to pass it means the report of the CAG and also the report of the statutory auditor. So very soon, annual general meeting of the SSCL will sit down in its office, and thereafter they will file this statement as prescribed by the guidelines.